welcome back to the workshop. For the 18th episode of the season, I'm going to be doing something new for the series. I'm going to be introducing the bonus round project. This is where I'm going to increase my workload from 22 projects to 23 overall by the end of the season. For my 19th project today, I'm going to start off with the multiple different colors of acrylics and start applying those to the canvas. Then I'm going to get out some glue and apply my stones, my figurines, and aluminum foil for texture. And then I'm going to finish it off by applying my LED lights to the middle part of my canvas to give a really cool effect at the end of this. So let's get started. My 19th project is now completed. So I got to get a little creative today with the editing as far as giving a different presentation to how these 3D landscapes look up close. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I really love this piece. One thing I love about these pieces is that when you put them on the wall, it looks abstract. You come up close and it reveals a whole different type of story and landscape. For the next project, I am going to be doing the animal portrait project, which was the one thing I was originally going to do today. And I'm going to be painting a fox. Till the next episode, have a good week, everyone.